Good morning, Lee Street Reading Eagles. It's Miss Pugh with a story today. Today's story is Curious George Goes to the Chocolate Factory by Margret and H.A. Rays. This is George. George was a very good little monkey and was always very curious. One day, George went for a drive with his friend and the man in the yellow hat. George, the man said, there's a store in that chocolate factory up ahead. Let's stop for a treat. George loved chocolates. Inside the store, boxes of chocolates were stacked everywhere. But the man with the yellow hat found his favorites right away. George, he said, wait right here. I'll buy these. Please stay out of trouble. George looked around the store. He saw chocolate-covered cherries and fudge-flavored lollipops, and a chocolate bunny caught his eye. Then something else caught his eye. What were all those people looking at? George was curious. He climbed up to get a better look. Through the window, he saw lots of trays filled with little brown dots. What were all those little brown dots? George was curious. He found a door that led to the other side of the window. The little round dots were chocolates, of course. A tour guide was showing a group of people how to tell what was inside the chocolates by looking at the swirls on top. This little swirl means fudge. This one says that caramel is inside. And this wiggle is for the marshmallow. And this little squiggle is for a truffle. This one for a nougat. This sideways swirl is for orange stuff. And this one is for George's favorite, banana cream. George followed the tour group until they came to a balcony overlooking a room where the chocolates were made. Down below, busy workers picked the candy up off the machine and put them into boxes. These were the machines that made the chocolates with the swirls on top. The chocolates came out of the machine on long belts. But how did they get the swirls? George was curious. He climbed down from the balcony and up onto the machine. George peeked inside. He was trying to see what was making the swirls when all of a sudden, the chocolates began coming out faster and faster. They sped by him so quickly they seemed to be running on their own legs. Quick, bring more boxes, yelled the man with the tall white hat. What happened? Asked another woman. Nobody answered. Nobody knew what had happened, and everyone was so busy that no one noticed George. The workers began to fall behind, and the candy began to fall off the end of the belt. Save the chocolates! Yelled the man with the tall white hat. Meanwhile, George saw one of his favorites whiz by. He tried to catch the banana cream chocolate, but it was too fast. He chased it to the end of the belt. At the end of the belt, a pile of chocolates was growing taller and taller. George had never seen so many chocolates. As he searched for the banana cream, he put the others in an empty box. George was a fast worker. Someone noticed and yelled, bring that monkey more boxes. He's helping us to catch up. Not all of the chocolates made it into boxes, but no more chocolates fell onto the floor. George is over there eating them. Look at him, he's silly. Just when George and the workers were all called up, the tour guide ran in with the man with the yellow hat. Get that monkey out of here, she yelled. He's ruining our chocolates. But this little monkey saved the chocolates, exclaimed the workers. Then the man with the tall white hat said to George, you may have caused us some trouble, but you're a speedy little monkey. You deserve a big box of candy for all your help. George was glad he was not in trouble, but he did not take the chocolates. I wonder why. Let's see. Because he was full of chocolates, that's why. Back in the parking lot, the workers waved goodbye as George and his friend got into the little blue car. George, are you sure you don't want any chocolates before we leave? Asked the man in the yellow hat. George was sure. Look at him rub his belly down there. Let's see. The end. Lee's Three Eagles, please remember to go on the AR website and take the AR test so you can earn more AR points so you can earn your prizes. See you tomorrow, Eagles.